Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is wash day and we are going to get started with a hot oil treatment. So as you can see, my hair is looking crazy because I literally just put a scarf on my head and went to bed and just kind of left it like this. I did have it in flat twists for the entire week, so my hair is still, you know, moisturized. It still feels so good and so soft and all of that good stuff. If you've been watching any of my shorts, I will try and insert it here if I remember. Last week I went to the salon and had a good trim, so I actually want to comb my hair out so you can see the difference in length. When I did twist my hair up during the week, I combed my hair out and I was like my hair is so short, not so short, but shorter than it was in my previous wash day that I recorded on here. So yeah, I'm going to comb it out quickly and then I'll get into doing the hot oil treatment, and we'll crack on with today's wash day. Okay, so I've sectioned off my hair. I'm just gonna get my wide tooth comb, start combing it out from the ends. I know that there are people who don't believe that you should comb your hair when it's dry, but this is what works for me personally. I don't like the idea of wetting my hair and then combing it, because your hair is weakest when it is wet, right? So the last thing you want to do is be trying to detangle it while it's wet. So I always use an oil to detangle, and I use the oil also as a form of treatment because all of my oils are Ayurvedic treatment. So they have Ayurvedic herbs in them that can, you know, help my hair with hair growth or any other issues that I feel like I need to tackle with my hair. I can just find a herb, infuse it in some oil, and I have an Ayurvedic oil that I can use on my hair to help me to detangle. So I'm going to keep going through all of this hair, just combing it out, and then I will bring the oil out. Okay, so this is what we are looking like with my hair combed out. I can see that it is already shorter. The thing is though, there's something about short hair that I actually like. My hair looks much fuller. It just got, I can't even speak. It has more going for it when it's shorter. I don't know if you notice that, like when your hair gets long, it can lose fullness, right? Because it's being pulled down by all of the hair. So when it's shorter, it looks fuller, it looks bigger. So that is a plus, I guess, but I do really want my hair to be, you know, longer. Longer. But anyway, we'll get there. So here is my oil. As you can see, it is so dark because it has all these herbs in the bottom. It's all sunk to the bottom because it's infused probably enough into the oil. So I have put it in some hot water, so it is slightly warm. So I'm just gonna use it now to just fully detangle my hair and twist up, etc. Okay, so I am done putting the oil through my hair to sit it up, put this cap on. I'm gonna let it sit for a while, and then next time you see me, we'll be in the shower washing our hair. I don't know what I'm using yet to wash my hair, but whatever it is, it will be fantastic. See you soon.